A lot of fear around AI comes from not really understanding what it's good at, and just as importantly, what it isn't. When people hear that AI is getting more powerful, they often imagine a system that can think, judge, and decide the way a human does. But that's not what AI actually is. And that misunderstanding is where much of anxiety starts. Here's the simplest way to think about it. AI is very good at patterns. It's good at repetition. And it's good at working with large amounts of information that follow clear rules. For example, AI can summarize documents, rewrite text, organize information, and help draft routine messages. It can scan data for trends, suggest options, and speed up tasks that are predictable and structured. Where AI struggles is just as important. It doesn't truly understand meaning. It doesn't know why something matters. And it doesn't have judgment, experience, or responsibility in the human sense. AI can suggest what an email might say, but it doesn't know the history behind the relationship. It can outline options, but it doesn't understand the consequences those options may have in the real world. And it can't take responsibility for a decision. That always falls on a person. This is why AI works best as an assistant, not a replacement. It can handle pieces of the work, but it relies on humans for context, values, and final decisions. When you understand this boundary, something important happens. AI stops feeling mysterious and starts feeling manageable. You begin to see where it fits and where it clearly does not. Instead of asking, "Can AI do my job?" the better question becomes, which parts of my job involve patterns and repetition, and which parts depend on judgment and human understanding? That shift in thinking reduces fear and increases clarity. It helps you use AI where it's strong, without expecting it to be something it isn't. And once you see AI this way, it becomes easier to work alongside it, calmly, practically, and with confidence. If this helped you understand AI a little more clearly, you'll find more conversations like this right here.